Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to change a video's resolution in HandBrake. Whether you need to make a file smaller, upload it somewhere, or match a specific screen size, so this is the setting you need. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Click Open Source, then find and select the video whose resolution you want to change. Once the video finishes loading, look near the top for the Dimensions tab and open it. This is where HandBrake keeps the video size controls. Before changing the resolution, check the cropping section. HandBrake may automatically remove black bars, which can change the final dimensions a little. If you want the full frame, set cropping to custom and enter 0 for every side. Now find the width and height boxes. Type the resolution you need, like 1920 by 1080 for full HD or 1280 by 720 for HD. HandBrake usually keeps the aspect ratio locked, so changing one value updates the other automatically. Keep the aspect ratio option enabled unless you specifically need to stretch the video. That way the picture stays natural instead of looking too wide or too tall. Yeah, that's an easy mistake to avoid. Next, choose a preset that matches your target quality. A fast Full HD preset is a good starting point for most videos. Then use Browse at the bottom to choose where the resized file will be saved. Finally, click Start Encode. HandBrake will create a new video at your selected resolution, while your original file stays unchanged. And that's how you change video resolution in HandBrake. Just adjust the dimensions, keep the ratio locked, and export the new version. You know, it's a quick way to get your video ready for almost any platform.